Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to save time, stay consistent, and boost productivity inside Asana, then this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through a quick and simple step-by-step process to create your very own Asana template. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set one up and start streamlining your workflow like a pro. Let's dive in. First, head over to the Asana website and log in. Enter your email, your password, and you'll land on your Asana homepage. Once you're in, choose the project you want to turn into a template. This could be a project you've already been using or one that represents your typical workflow. Picking the right base project is key because it sets the structure for everything else. Next, open that project and look to the right side of the screen. Click on the Customize button. This is where you'll find all the tools to make your template. Now scroll down inside the Customize menu and click Add. From the drop-down options, select Task Template. This is where the magic happens. Give your template a clear descriptive name, something that makes it easy to identify later. For example, Client Onboarding Template or Weekly Content Plan. Once you've named it, hit Done. And just like that, your new template will appear in the Task Template section, ready to use whenever you need it. The beauty of Asana templates is how much time and energy they save. You don't have to reinvent the wheel for every project. Your tasks, details, and structure are already set. That means more consistency, fewer mistakes, and way less stress. Plus, since the process is so straightforward, even beginners can get the templates up and running in just a few minutes. And that's it. Your complete guide to creating an Asana template in 2025. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and step-by-step guides. Drop a comment below if you're planning to create your first template. I'd love to hear how you'll be using it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.